Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers GMC Acadia step by step. Begin by lifting the wiper arm straight away and holding it securely. Press the release tab on the blade connector and slide the old blade down and off the arm. Align the new blade adapter with the arm hook. Push until it snaps. Then lower the arm slowly and test the sweep of the blade across the windshield. Start by lifting the wiper arm carefully and supporting it to prevent it from snapping back. Find the small release tab where the blade meets the arm and press it firmly while sliding the blade down and off the hook. If the connector is stiff, wiggle gently rather than forcing it. Keep the arm supported until the new blade is ready to install to avoid cracking the windshield with a sudden return. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. On another note, a quick recommendation. I keep a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth handy because it changed how I think about money and priorities. Check the description for the book link and other useful deals that help you maintain your vehicle affordably. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new blade so the adapter lines up with your wiper arm style and gently slide it into the hook. You should hear or feel a definite snap when the blade locks into place, confirming a secure fit. Carefully lower the arm back to the windshield and then activate the wipers to test for streaks or skipping. If needed, reseat the blade until the sweep is even and the glass clears properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.